Pumpkins are good.
In this video, you will see tips, tools, and ideas to help with your pumpkin carving this fall. You can have fun carving pumpkins even if it's your first time.
Home improvement.
With love. Hey, we're the Grants, and for this project, we chose our pumpkins, bought a dollar store carving kit, and gathered up some old kitchen tools. It's good to have an open space that can get a little messy. We're all first timers except our son. Now it was time to choose our design.
I'm gonna do a pumpkin with a mask on it.
I had two designs, but I went with Black Panther.
Try to do this DIYPC logo.
We drew a circle on top to cut our lids for our pumpkins. We learned that it's much better to cut at an angle to help the lid to come out easier. Now for the slimy part. We use spoons and scoops to clean out the inside. Make sure you cut a big enough hole for your hand to fit. You may need to reach in and pull out some pumpkin seeds. We are ready to create our design. Dry erase markers are good for drawing designs because you can wipe them off if you make a mistake. Or you can use a stencil. You can print one out or use your own artwork for a design. Either way, stencils are great for beginner carvers.
Tape your stencil to your pumpkin, then use a sharp object to poke an outline for your design.
Once you remove your stencil, you'll see where to carve your design. We are now ready to cut and carve our pumpkins. A serrated knife or keyhole saw works well for this job.
As DIYers, we brought out the Dremel and safety goggles. The Dremel is a good tool for carving designs quickly and safely.
Everyone in the family enjoyed carving their pumpkin with the different tools. We are all done creating, and now it's time to light up our pumpkins. We use tea light candles and a utility lighter from the dollar store to make our pumpkins glow.
Oh yeah! So which pumpkin is your favorite? I know which one is mine.
We really enjoyed pumpkin carving together, and we hope your family does too.
DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.
Check out these DIY projects, and we'll see you in the next video.